Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, 6 feet tall, 175 pounds, size 12 shoe. I'd say I'm about a large when it comes to athletic wear size, but a medium fits nice and snug. Currently living in Los Angeles, California, originally from Lexington, Massachusetts, which is just about 15 minutes northwest of Boston. Grew up going all throughout New England, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, the Berkshires, and the west side of Massachusetts, hiking, running, all 4 seasons. I am currently vaccinated and I'm willing to follow all COVID-19 production protocols. I get out on the trail as often as possible, and in a perfect world, that means every day. I just got back from a wedding in Colorado where I hiked the Rocky Mountain National Park, 14,000 vertical square feet. It was phenomenal. Locally, on the east side of LA, I hike with my wife, my dogs. I've got a group of friends that I play ice hockey with that gets together and actually runs these trails over to Legion Park, and we do Griffith Park. On the west side, I'm all around the Santa Monica and Malibu mountains and have an absolute blast. And oftentimes, we'll do a hike in the morning and then jump in the ocean and do some ocean swimming in the afternoon. I would say some of the most compelling and interesting stories from the trails is when we interact with wildlife. Sometimes expected, sometimes not expected. In Colorado, we saw a moose that was beautiful, but also scary. And fortunately, it stayed just enough of a distance away that we were able to pass and get by safely. Here in LA, we see coyotes all the time on the east side, and with the dogs, it's especially scary because when we go at night, we have our headlamps on and our chest lamps on. We're constantly trying to find the coyotes by looking in the distance to see the reflection with our flashlights, chest headlamps in their eyes. So never a dull moment when you're out in the wild. When I moved out to LA about 10 years ago, I immediately started playing ice hockey. Not only because I love being active and playing the sport, but also because I wanted to meet a group of like-minded people. Through that experience, I was able to find a group of guys who love running, trail running especially. And we often get up early on the weekend mornings, watch the sunrise, cup of coffee, and then hit Griffith Park or Elysian Park. And what it's all about is just getting away from it all, being together, chatting, seeing cool stuff, not being stuck on our phones or our computers or our iPads, laptops, you name it, and just being together. It's the friendship, it's the camaraderie, laughing, joking, just releasing. And we find that we can do that virtually wherever we go. There was a crew of us that went when we were in Colorado, same type of experience. And that's important to me. It's like a Zen meditation, but also combined with physical activity and exercise. I'm a designer by trade, so I'm constantly at my computer looking for inspiration outside of where I am. And I don't often find it when I'm staring at a computer screen or a screen at all. I find it when I'm out, when the blood is flowing, the air is out, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling something, I'm experiencing something. So for me, it's also important professionally to get out and explore new things, talk to my friends, and see what's going on.